In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Webflow site to another account. Open the Webflow website and sign in so you land on your dashboard. On the dashboard, find the site you want to move to another account. Once you've located that site card, go to the top right corner of it and click the three-dot menu. This opens a drop-down with site actions. In that menu, click Transfer Site. A transfer dialog will open, and you'll see two options. One is to transfer the site to another user, and the other is to transfer to a workspace. For this process, choose the User option. This is the setting used to send the site to another Webflow account by email. Now click into the Email field. Enter the recipient account's email address carefully, and give that a moment on screen as you type it in. After the email is entered, look over the notice shown in the dialog. Webflow explains that the site will be unpublished. Any custom domains will be removed, and Adobe Fonts connections will not carry over during the transfer. Once you've reviewed that message, click Transfer Site to send the invitation. After that, you should see a confirmation that the transfer was sent and is now waiting for the recipient to accept it. Next, switch over to the recipient account. From that account's dashboard, go to the top right and click the notification bell. A pending transfer notification should appear there. You may also see a pending site invite banner directly on the dashboard. Use either of those places to open the invitation, then click Accept on the transfer request. As soon as the invitation is accepted, the site will appear in the recipient account's dashboard. At this point, the transfer is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The site card now sits in the recipient account's dashboard, and it is completely removed from the sender account. Ownership has been moved to the recipient account. That means the recipient can open the designer, edit the site, republish it, and reconnect a domain. The sender account no longer has any access to that site. That's the full transfer process from one Webflow account to another using the User Transfer option.